Question 5. How many atoms of elements are there in a compound? Open parenthesis NH4 close parenthesis 2 Fe open parenthesis SO4 close parenthesis 2 6H2O. A 38, B 39, C 41, D 40. The correct answer is B 39. Explanation: this might look scary, but the question is just asking for counting, so we are going to count it piece by piece. Okay, so we have NH42 FeSO42.6H2O. Let's start with NH42. This will give you 2 nitrogen atoms and 8 hydrogen atoms. 4 times 2 gives you 8. Let's go to Fe. We have 1 atom of iron. For SO4 2, we have 2 sulfur atoms and 8 oxygen atoms. 4 times 2 gives you 8. Now let's move on to water. For 6H2O, we have 12 hydrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms. So let's add them together. 2 plus 8 gives you 10, plus 1 plus 2 plus 8 gives you 10. 12 plus 6 gives you 18. So if we add everything together, 1 plus 8 gives you 9. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives you 3. There you have it. 39 atoms.